Welcome back, everyone. I am Nancy, and you're tuned into another exciting episode of FlexiEle HRMS Playbook, Mastering Modern HR. In our previous two videos, we explored how both employees and HR can benefit from FlexiEle HRMS, making work smoother, faster, and more efficient. Today, we are diving into a game changing topic, the legal attendance module. Say goodbye to manual tracking and complex approvals because we will show you how organizations can manage it effortlessly. We will cover everything from the employee applying for leave to the approver handling requests, whether that's an HR professional, a manager, or an admin. But before we jump in, I have mentioned the links of previous two videos in the description box. Go check them out. And if you have any questions, drop a comment. We would love to help you. Without further ado, let's get started. We will begin the video from the employee's perspective. The employees will have options to mark their attendance and leave, check in and check out, regularize attendance. To apply for leave, a separate leave section will be available. The FlexiEle mobile app enables real-time location tracking for employees working outside the office. Now let's begin with check-in and check-out. These are the format used to record daily attendance. Here their working hours will be calculated. The next thing we have is regularize attendance. What if the employees forgot to mark their attendance? This is where regularizing attendance comes into play. The employee can apply to regularize their attendance, and if their approval will review and approve it. After clicking on the regularize attendance card, the employee will be seeing their calendar. To simplify things, FlexiEle have used colors to represent the employee calendar. For example, green indicates present, red signifies absent, pale yellow denotes holiday or weekly off, sky blue represents annual leave and casual leave. Additionally, I would like to mention that the colors and the types of leaves are customizable. If the employee forgot to mark their attendance, it will be indicated with a bright red color. To regularize the attendance, they need to click on that date, and in the left corner, they will see a regularize attendance pop-up. They must click on that pop-up, which is the main part. Here, the employee needs to provide all the information for which they forgot to mark their attendance. They have to enter that in time and out time. The first half status and the second half status will appear automatically. Then, they need to select the work type, whether working from home or on duty, and write the reason for not marking their attendance. Finally, click on submit. You can also regularize your attendance and apply for leave right here by simply scrolling down. Until the approver accepts the regularized attendance request, it will remain red. After the approver approves it, it will turn green, denoting that the employee was present for that particular date. The next feature comes up as apply leave. In the apply leave section, FlexiEle provides extensive customization for leave types. It's up to the organization to decide what to add. Applying for leave is a breeze for employees. In the top right corner, they will find the holiday calendar set by the organization. Additionally, they can apply for prior leave from the regularized attendance dashboard as well. The steps they need to follow are: after clicking on the apply leave section, the employee will enter the feature. The apply leave section is divided into parts: apply leave and leave log. In the apply leave section, the employee can check leave types, view leave balance, and apply for leave. To apply for leave, they need to select the type of leave they wish to take. They should specify from date and to date. If it's a half day, they can indicate that, and in the case of full day, the dates would automatically populate after the selecting from and to dates. They should add the reason for the leave and click on submit. It will then be sent to the approver. Now let's discuss the leave log. The leave log section consists of 4 categories: pending, approved, rejected, and cancelled. Through this section, they can also cancel any leave. Additionally, you can cancel your leave from the regularized attendance dashboard. Now we will discuss how the approver benefits from regularizing their attendance and accepting leaves. As I mentioned earlier, the approver can be the manager, any senior leader, or even the HR admin themselves. All these features will be accessible to them. First, we will start with attendance action. Manage attendance over time and update bulk compensatory time off. It presents 6 options. The attendance action feature is designed for semi-skilled laborers who may not be familiar with the standard check-in and check-out procedures. The first we have is report section. In the report section, you can download data of predefined options available in the report section. It is mandatory to set all the parameters, example payroll, group, process month. You can only view the report, schedule it early, or download it directly. The next section we have is attendance correction. In this section, HR can directly correct an employee's attendance by selecting their name and specifying the from and to dates. Along with this, HR can view detailed attendance information such as in time, out time, shift status, late coming, early going, overtime hours, and total worked hours. This helps ensure accurate tracking and update to attendance record. This section displays overtime requests along with details like request code, date requested by, status, and actions. Admin can create and submit new overtime requests for employees who will be notified once the request is submitted. Existing overtime entries can also be updated or removed as needed. The next section is compensatory off. Here, approvers can view which employees have worked extra hours and the specific dates for which they have requested compensatory off. There are multiple options available, including adding comp off, removing comp off, adding advance comp off, and removing advance comp off. The next feature is Move Punch. It allows user to transfer punch records from one date to another. This is useful for correcting punches that were logged on the wrong date, ensuring accurate attendance records. Last feature is Delete Punch. This feature allows user to directly delete punch records for any date. It helps in removing incorrect or duplicate entries easily. Moving forward, we have another feature as Attendance Snapshot. The Attendance Snapshot feature in the FlexiEle portal provides approver with a clear and detailed view of employee attendance. It allows them to track the number of employees working on specific days, identifying those who have applied for leave, and review the types of leave requested. All relevant information is readily accessible within this feature, ensuring efficient attendance management. Now let's delve deeper into how it works. After entering the legal entity details, all information related to the date will be displayed. The approver can check the total employee count and the total number of employees present on that date. The percentage of employees on leave and absent is also provided. Attendance snapshot presents data on day-to-day basis. With the help of a bar chart, the percentage of employees present on a particular date will be displayed. Next to the day-wise attendance, you will find a leave summary represented by a pie chart. This summary provides information about sick, casual, and earned leave. Next feature we have is attendance correction. In the attendance correction section, the approver will receive the data of the employee who has requested to regularize their attendance. Let's see how it works. Select the employee's name and month. Then the date will appear automatically. The format in which the data will be presented includes the number of days present, number of leaves taken, loss of leave, loss of pay, and working less than 8 hours. Now, if we scroll down, we will see a heading titled Attendance Correction. In this section, the approver will check the date, shift, in and out time, worked hours, first half, second half, OT, and actions. Action section, there are three options: edit attendance, reopen regularize attendance, and reset post swipe. In the edit attendance section, the approver can edit the attendance of a significant employee by modifying their date, shift, shift hours, in time, and out time. Then click on submit. The next feature we have is manage attendance and leave. HR personnel can manage employee leave and attendance requests, including approving or cancelling leave, regularizing attendance, and handling compensatory off requests. They can review employees' leave and attendance logs as well as performance incentive approvals. By searching for an employee or their manager by name, HR can quickly access the relevant leave and attendance information for more efficient decision making. In the attendance approval section, the approver can also check the past regularization summary. In the leave approval process, the data will be presented in three colors: green for approved, yellow for pending, and red for rejected. In the leave cancellation section, the data will include employee name, leave from and to date, leave duration, reason for the leave cancellation, and the corresponding action. With intuitive color coding statuses and efficient search capabilities, it empowers HR team to make informed decisions quickly, enhancing overall workforce management. Next section we have is employee attendance and leave setting. The employee attendance and leave setting card assists HR in reviewing employee attendance and leave information. With this feature, HR can understand how attendance is configured, check employees' leave balances, and see how leave is accrued. After clicking on the card, the approver must search for the name of the employee for whom they wish to set the attendance. As mentioned earlier, employee attendance and leave setting consist of three sections: employee attendance configuration, leave balance, and accrual rate. In the employee attendance configuration section, time tracking, shifts, holiday calendar, and weekly off calendar are included. By adding new details in the add section, the approver can configure new data. The leave section reviews the data of leave taken by the employee to date. In the employee accrual rate section, the approver can check the type of leave applied by the employee, the rate, maximum accumulated value, from date, and action. The employee attendance and leave section card is valuable tool for HR professionals, providing a streamlined way to manage employee attendance, leave balances, and accrual rates. Next feature we have is attendance dashboard. It is a comprehensive tool that allows approver to monitor and manage employee attendance efficiently. It provides a clear, real-time view of each employee's attendance records, making it easier to track workdays, leaves, or any irregularities in attendance. The type of leave is same as that of employee, and each leave is color-coded for the better understanding. The attendance dashboard is a vital tool for both HR managers and approvers, simplifying attendance management and ensuring accurate record keeping. By providing a centralized view of attendance data, it supports better workforce planning and operational efficiency. The next section we have is leaves. In this section, the approver needs to search for the employee who has applied leave. Once the employee's name is selected, the pending leave request will be visible. The approver can then review the leave details, including the type of leave, duration, and any additional comments provided. Based on this information, the approver can either accept or reject the leave request. If the request is approved, the employee will receive a notification in their notification bar confirming the status of their request. In case of rejection, the same notification process applies, ensuring clear and timely communication. This approach makes it easy for the approvers to manage leave requests efficiently and helps maintain clear communication between employees and managers. The next feature we have is defined roster. In our portal, a roster is a scheduling tool for managing employee shift. From the defined roster screen, administrator can create and update work schedules, aligning employee hours with operational needs. It focuses on shift planning without tracking tasks or project details, offering flexibility for dynamic workforce requirement. The next feature we have is View Roster. In the FlexiEle HRMS portal, the roster is a tool for efficient shift management, allowing HR to schedule employees based on operational needs. It focuses exclusively on shift planning, ensuring optimal staffing without tracking tasks or project details. That wraps up our look at how our leave and attendance management system work. We hope this gave you insight into how user-friendly and efficient these features are. Stay tuned for our next video because in the next video we will discuss how the approver dashboard works. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.